If you're using QuickBooks Point of Sale and need to customize your currency symbol in Windows 11, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change the currency symbol in Windows 11, ensuring it works seamlessly with your QuickBooks POS. Let's dive in. First, click on the Start menu and type Currency. Then, click to open this option. Now, click on Additional Settings. A new window will pop up. Go to the Currency tab, and here you can change the currency symbol to whatever you want. For example, if you're switching from the $ to UGX or Euro, this is where you do it. Once you've made the change, click Apply and then OK. Now open your QuickBooks Point of Sale, and it should now reflect the new currency symbol on receipt. Easy, right? You've successfully updated the currency symbol in Windows 11 for QuickBooks Point of Sale. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to IT Next, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.